Bruh. Bruh.
If you're tired of ad interruptions while playing games, watch our complete video for the solution. Download the Blokada application. Find the complete guide on Blokada on our website. Ensure you download the Blokada version mentioned in the post. Don't download Play Store version, it's paid. After downloading, open the application. Tap on the circle to activate it. Go to the Advanced tab and click on the Block Lists tab. Activate all the ad blockers. Now, go back and clear the game cache. Restart the game, and you can enjoy it without any ad interruptions. You can apply this trick to any game, just ensure that your device is connected with Blokada.